This video learn how you can connect a Windows 11 PC to a wireless device. Let's dive in. Hello, my name is Edmond Sarkodie. In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your Windows 11 PC to a wireless device. So to start, to connect your PC to a wireless device, first you should know the wireless device name and password. So on my taskbar, under the taskbar, I have a group icon. Click on it, then you'll find available network. There is the wireless network. Then click on connect. It will prompt you to enter the password. Enter the password. Then click on next to connect to the wireless device. After that, you can access the web. If you are new to this channel and you are not yet subscribed, then click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video. Thank you. Like, comment, share and subscribe.